Giants facing the Padres, 3-0 San Francisco in the fourth. A-Ray Adrianza comes through with an RBI single to the opposite field off Ian Kennedy. That makes it 4-0. The story, though, in this one, Madison Bumgarner in the fifth, yet to allow a base runner with 2 outs in the frame. He gets Yangervis Solarte to ground out the third. Now 7-0 in the seventh, perfect game still intact. Derek Norris lines out to second. Next batter up, Matt Kemp with the ground out to shortstop. 21 up and 21 down at this point for Bumgarner. Now 8-0 in the eighth. Justin Upton with the ground out to short, long throw. They get him by a step, but with 2 outs in the frame, Melvin Upton Jr. breaks up the perfect game with a base hit in the ninth. Bumgarner finishes off the gem, getting pinch hitter Rocky Gale to fly out to right. The Giants take it 8-0. Bumgarner with a 1-hit shutout. It's his 5th career shutout, 2nd this season. He gets his 18th win. San Francisco goes for the sweep on Sunday. Mike Leake up against Colin Ray.